Now this is one of the best Mercedes CLA that I've seen. This is a CLA220 diesel, night edition plus, in a beautiful obsidian black, 35,000 miles, full service history, 2019 68 registration. But check this out for some numbers. I had a quick look earlier. If you're looking to buy this car on a PCP package, just a rough estimate, 10% deposit, so that's something like £2,699 deposit. 4-year PCP at 6,000 miles a year, this car is only £353 a month. That is a lot of car for the money, because this is a nearly new Mercedes diesel AMG line 90 edition with all the bells and whistles, all the kit you want on it, and it just looks fabulous. So start from the front. It is a facelift model, because in the 2016-17 they changed ever so slightly with the bumper, the headlights, the backlights, etc. This one has the full LED high-performance headlights with the LED daytime running lights, front rear parking sensors with the parallel park assist, obviously the upgraded bumpers, and you've got the black sections in the front diamond grille as well. Come around the side, you've got the upgraded alloy wheels, being the Night Edition Plus. You have the multi-spoke black wheels with a diamond cut ring on the outside, colour-coded door mirrors, and then you have the black window surrounds. You've also got sun protection glass. And then if you look in the interior, this is where the Night Edition Plus really does make a difference, because you'll notice, first of all, there isn't many CLAs that has the full electric seats with memory seats, both driver and passenger. You've got the half leather and half Alcantara seats there, but again, bucket style sport seats with a one-piece headrest going on. But it's these little touches, little red rings and brushed long grain sort of inlays there. The red stitching on the flat bottom steering wheel. You've got the navigation, but check this out as well. Tilt and sliding panoramic roof. I promise you, this car will not make it. Not more than 2 days. So if you see the video and you think, you know what, I want a car like that, and that's the car that I want, then ring me direct on the number below. Because with them sort of payments, with a service history, with a specification, the roof, the electric seats, it's just got everything, heated seats. The car's brilliant. 2 keys. Awesome condition. Don't get me wrong, it is a used car. It's done 35,000 miles. Will there be some level of wear, a few little scuffs or scratches or stone chips? Minor ones, yes, and you'd fully expect that, but we are very thorough in trying to give you the best retail car possible. You have got fully fitted matte front and rear. Again, in the back, the red stitching, ISOFIX attachments, centre armrest front and rear as well. And then round the back, as I mentioned at the start of the video, being the facelift model, you have the newer style rear lighting system, which is the lovely LED ones. The twin exhaust tailpipes with it, again, this Night Edition Plus gives that black strip on the back as well. You've got a decent sized boot, because although the cars are coupe styling, it's still not a small car, so you have got a decent boot, and the seats go down as well, so you can create yourself a bigger boot area. Reversing camera system is hidden just behind here, and obviously the parking sensors that I've told you about already. You've also got the sport pedals down here, which is the rubber studded metal ones there. Mercedes-Benz entry kick plate, paddle shift, automatic gearbox, and remember that 220 diesel gives you 170 brake horsepower. More than enough miles per gallon, almost 50. Automatic headlights, automatic window wipers. Previous keeper very kindly put a big shiny red stop start button on there, which we thought would leave on for you. And then the car sounds good, it drives good, and it does what it's supposed to do. With regards to navigation, that's just there. DAB digital radio, centre armrest which lifts up and slides forwards and backwards, with USB in there, and you have your twin cup holders as well. This genuinely is an amazing car. A sports coupe style saloon, Mercedes CLA, AMG line 90 Edition Plus in the best colour combination with a full service history and only 35,000 miles. And remember, 10% deposit, you're talking 353 a month on a 4-year PCP at 6,000 miles per annum. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.